I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see when you joined Facebook in the Facebook mobile app. Have you ever wondered when exactly you joined the world of Facebook? Whether you're feeling nostalgic or just curious about your digital journey, knowing your Facebook anniversary can be fun to know and fun to share. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to find out when you joined Facebook right within the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. This little piece of personal history might surprise you or bring back some fond memories. Now let's walk through the steps to see when you joined Facebook in the Facebook mobile app. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and then tap Menu in the row of icons along the bottom of your screen. You'll land on a menu screen. Step 2. Tap the Settings icon at the top of this screen. The Settings icon looks like a gear. You'll land on the Settings and Privacy screen. Step 3. Find the Account Center section and then tap See More in Account Center in this section. Your Meta Account Center screen opens. Step 4. Find the Account Settings section and then tap Your Information and Permissions in this section. Step 5. Tap Access Your Information in this menu. The Access Your Information screen opens. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and then tap Personal Information in this section. A personal information screen is displayed. You can see exactly what date you joined Facebook by navigating to the Profile Information section and looking at the Your Account Creation Date field. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.